Hello guys, my name is Michael Chung and this is an announcement for a new series. The new series will be talking about tips and advices on how to save money for your car repair. This year is 2018. Many people have their own New Year resolution, to get better fitness, to earn certain amount of money, buy cars. All of them are about themselves, but my New Year resolution is all about you. How I can help you more on saving money for your car repairs. The reason for me doing this is I have not many years of experience, about 4 or 5 years, but I've seen too many people get cheated. I do this because I hope no one will get cheated by workshop, by dishonest mechanic, and then they just recommend whatever they see is just a little bit dirty but unnecessary. They just say you need to change everything. Definitely, if you change everything, any car will become better.
I want to help as many people as I can to prevent you guys from doing costly car repairs.
Okay, let you guys know a little bit introduction of myself. I'm a mechanical engineer specialized in automotive, studied in NUS, National University of Singapore, and I've come back to my hometown, which is in Kota Kinabalu, Sabah, Malaysia. I opened a car workshop for about 4 or 5 years, and I've started drift competition very lately, about 2 years, and I've been involving in a lot of competition in Sabah and also in West Malaysia, and many competitions allow me to learn more in depth about cars and also solve problems during emergency. And I want to share some of the biggest problems that my customers meet, okay, so that I hope you guys won't be facing them alone and you have to burn your pocket, because just some of the things that you should have known, and maybe you can prevent a major breakdown. Okay, this is what I want to do. I want to help as many people as I can. You can DIY yourself or prevent expensive breakdown.
Ask me any questions about car repairs and I'll definitely try to answer all of them.
The structure of all these videos will be, first I will be explaining what is the term, what is the basic terminology of the parts involved. For example, the cooling system, what does it consist of? Okay. Then the second thing I will be explaining is about the symptoms, the early symptoms of having that problem. Okay, for example, symptoms of having overheat of your car. Okay, the third thing is I'll be telling you what are the possible reasons and the possible solutions for those problems. And then number 4 is I will tell you guys how to prevent them, how to prevent future problems, and how to prevent costly repairs. Comment below if you guys got any question. Click the subscribe button and the bell button so that you can instantly get notified if I have any uploads and any tips for you guys.
Together with me in my workshop, and I'll share with you guys major problems faced by my customers, and I hope you guys can learn from all the mistakes.
As I always believe, prevention is always better than cure. And one more thing is, knowledge is power, but in our case is knowledge is money saver. Enjoy!